Dear friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to new video again. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and there is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests where they stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 4. Category 5. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Business class and guests along with various speed plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, follow the description link.